The meeting of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council (Khadc) with the traditional heads today has unanimously resolved to urge upon the state government to modify the notification of exempting the application of the Civil Procedure Code (CPC) and Criminal Procedure Code (CRPC) in the District Council Court and traditional courts of the council. Talking to reporters, Khadc Chief Executive Member Titor Starwell Kine said that the council will also suggest that the state government may issue a separate notification to exempt the application of the two legislations in the District Council Court and traditional courts if it cannot modify the notification which has already been issued. Kine informed that the council will be writing to the state government in this regard in a day or two.
In the civil case, there should be a separate notification that this case should be transferred to the District Council Court. Should there be a it should be a clear notification. This meeting, which consists the EC of all MDC and especially the traditional heads, we have resolved to give suggestion again to the government to modify this notification. So we are not satisfied at all with this notification because we have not get that space of security about the provision of powers of the District Council Court. We would like to review again the notification. So I expect that the government will respond to this meeting of all the traditional heads.
Along with the rest of the world, international